Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Nginx site configuration to a new VPS step by step clearly. Log into your current VPS where your Nginx site is configured. Access the terminal or command line interface. Navigate to the Nginx configuration directory, usually located at /etc/Nginx. Open the Nginx configuration file for your site, typically found in the Sites Available directory. Use a text editor such as Nano or Vim to view the configuration file. Copy the contents of your site's configuration file to your clipboard. Now, log into your new VPS where you want to transfer the configuration. Ensure that Nginx is installed on the new VPS. Create a new configuration file in the same directory, /etc/Nginx/sites available. Paste the copied configuration into the new file. Save and exit the text editor. Create a symbolic link in the Sites Enabled directory that points to your new configuration file. Test the Nginx configuration for any syntax errors using the command nginxt. If the test is successful, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Check your site's functionality by accessing it through a web browser. If applicable, transfer any SSL certificates to the new VPS for HTTPS support. Update the DNS records to point to the new VPS IP address. Monitor your site to ensure everything is working smoothly after the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.